How to insert dual SIM card and memory SD in Xiaomi Redmi Note 13. Let's see. Before you can use your phone, you need to insert your SIM card, right? So if you want to insert dual SIM, then let me tell you one thing, that you will have slots for dual SIM. So first, you need to open the SIM holder. So you will have a hole on the SIM holder. You can simply insert the opener into the small hole in the SIM holder and your SIM holder will come out. And on the second step, you need to remove the SIM holder from your phone. And once you remove the SIM holder, now your SIM holder will be of this kind, right? So what you need to do is you just need to turn your SIM so the angle corner of the SIM matches the angle corner of the first SIM holder, and place your SIM in the SIM holder. And you can flip that, and then you can insert the second SIM. And once you've inserted two SIMs, you can insert the SIM holder into your phone again. So let me tell you one thing, that you will have the space for two SIMs, right? But if you've added two SIMs, or if you've inserted two SIMs under that SIM holder, then you will not have space for memory SD. So in order to add the memory SD, you need to remove a SIM and then you can insert the memory card. So you can't insert two SIMs and a memory card at the same time, but you can insert one SIM and one memory card, or two SIM cards at the same time. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.